ones like that.
Well, are you gonna put this? We haven't put up the one where I. So I actually got the DRCs again, but they're the correct foot pegs. They got me the right ones. I use a different website. This one.
Okay. Yeah, those look like they actually fit on there.
We got some aftermarket springs and pins.
Right now. But if you want to have your own
Right now.
you can use it for just that.
Well, if you want to keep it, you can do that.
I'll sell it to you though, because it's just to go get parts with.
Can I go look at it real quick?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
For now, time,
Bro. I get that. I'm on the verge of broke all the time too, but I also like to live life and have fun. So shit's paid, and I have shit to have fun. So
I just paid $80 for coolant.
those are all the stock parts.
So,
And I'm taking RC hardware, and I'm not gonna shout out the link to the place. They're gonna have to sponsor our.
they're gonna have to sponsor us, dude. That's exactly what I feel with that whole build. Wow. Try putting the peg in first. See if you. This clip is way.
And these are not wanting.
Oh wow! What was that? The old one?
The old one? They're cotter pins,
Yeah,
Isaiah.
if it stays in, it works.
I don't care.
Cause look, cause I've had cotter pins that fell through on my.
Move my head to the sides.
Keep going. There you go. Keep going.
Way easier. Yeah, you can get any color plastics for it. You just go with the yammy.
First one to fucking put my feet on it.
What a douche, dude.